If I had to choose one stock for 2022, I know which one I'll be investing in. And let me share with you why AMD is a stock for me in 2022. Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. AMD had their Q4 2021 earnings. It just came out, gave me so much confidence that I could just pick just one stock for this year and it would be itself AMD. In this video, I want to give you my 5 key reasons of why I am so bullish about this stock. Before I start my 5 key reasons, please click like and also subscribe for more videos like this in future, because I just want to share with you my personal journey, my personal humble opinion to help you do in your research. Before I begin, I would also like to just quickly summarize the earnings for Q4 2021. Again, record-breaking quarter. EPS 0.92, the highest ever for AMD versus 0.76 expectation. Revenue was 4.83 versus 4.53, breaking record again, increasing the final stake of growth of the year of 68%. Very first reason why I am bullish, because the Xilinx merger has been almost complete, 90% there to completion, and the last signature in the box was China. China has signed and approved the merger with Xilinx, full shares purchase of $35 billion, and based on one condition, and the condition is not to be discriminatory towards the Chinese clients if they need to order more chips from them, which is, I think, is great news. If you've got a client and it's from China, huge manufacturing power, asking, say, we want to order so much chip using your patent, AMD cannot say no. They're obliged to say yes, and boom, another market's open up, and this is growth, regional growth. I am so bullish. So soon we'll see the merger close in the year 2022, and the $50 billion company absorbed into the AMD family. And not only that, they will improve not just the chips, but also the automotive and communication networking features. So it's going to expand the data center, it's going to expand the lines of product, not just for the consumer, but also the cloud computing business. And reason number 2, it's the client's relation with the EPYC chip. It's just incredible. Long list of clients, but the one that I want to give a shout out is to the Amazon AWS needs to expand. And who are they calling out for? AMD, not Intel. And guess what? IBM building the cloud, their Hive cloud, and who did they call? AMD. Microsoft Azure VM portfolio, again AMD. Nvidia CPU pairing with the GeForce cloud, they asked for AMD and also powerness in the software. And finally, Tesla, I've spoken a few times already. Tesla has already opted for AMD as their in-house entertainment. It's like building a PlayStation 5 into your dashboard. And the list of clients goes on, and if AMD could serve everyone, they would be a $1 trillion company, but it's still a $150 billion company just now in the year 2022. And reason number 3 is Data Cloud Center 2.0. That's where the business is being built upon. You heard about AI, metaverse, cloud gaming, cloud rendering, and also biogenetic cloud computing rendering. These are all based around Cloud Data Center 2. And who plays it? All the mega cap boys like AWS, Azure, Apple. And who supplies them? AMD. Simple as that. Mic drop. AMD is supplying every key player in this Cloud 2.0 beta database. And reason number 4 is, if you check the earnings, one thing that really jumps out is I am starting to notice is 50% of the revenue sales goes to personal computing, GPU, CPU sector. It's always been there, but the other 50% goes to automotive enterprise, which have doubled, not just doubled, it's actually 75% growth. And now soon, this is what I like. Now soon you should see the CPU and GPU growth growing at 20-35%, but the enterprise and customized type CPU to deliver for enterprise type service will grow and outsize their main business. This shows that it looks like it's 2 companies running, but they are outsizing, and this growth is significant, so they do not have to rely on consumer growth. Before I go to my 5th reason of why I think AMD is so important, let me give a shout out to TradingView. This is the app that I use on my desktop for my technical analysis on charting, on stocks, and also crypto, and also the forex fees that I use every day. Technical analysis is a dream, and also it helps you save and look at other people's analysis. This is a game changer over Yahoo Finance, and this is for serious gamers. So click on the link below to get $25 off today when you sign up for a full year subscription, and this is the one I highly recommend. Now going on to reason number 5. The forecast for the year 2022 is expected to be 21.5 billion revenue sales as of today, February the 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Why is this important? Because it's a 35% growth. But isn't it a bit worried? Because they had 68%, now they're dropping to about 35% growth. I'm saying no. This 21.5 billion growth is expected the base minimum. Because remember, last year they were calling out for a 37% growth, but they ended up with 68% because that 37% was the base growth. So this year's base growth is 21.5 billion, which is 35%. And if they get more orders, if Taiwan Semiconductor can release more chips, more equipment with the expansion, most likely you will see another doubling effect for AMD. So base case, we're already happy at the base case of 21.5 billion. But what if Lisa Su delivers more than that, and that she has a whole year to prove it to us that she will make it work? So that's why I'm really bullish. Profit margin's gone up, cash flow has gone up, and all they have to do is just keep up with the demand. This year I want to go all in on one stock, and again it'll be AMD based on these 5 key reasons. But again, you do your own research. This is what I believe in. This is what I put my money for me, my kids, my wife, and everybody that I watch out for my family fun. Hope you like it. Please click like and subscribe, and I hope to share more AMD news, not just on the earnings, but on every opportunity I can on this growth, because I'm watching this like an eagle from afar. And Lisa Su, thank you very much for such a great work. I know you don't watch this video, but this is how honestly I feel about the company. Thank you, have a good day, and take care.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye!